stars of America's Game. That's St. Jack and Vanna White.
Thanks, Jim. Thank you. Appreciate that. Have a nice time with the Puzzle Boys. Hi, Danny. How you doing? Every team should grab one of those devices so we can give away some money here. Our first toss-up, Things is the category. Here we go.
Here we go.
Chris and Amanda.
State-of-the-art comforts.
You got it.
State of your art comfort of your
Just like that, you have $1,000.
Up your-
Congratulations. Now we need to hear about you.
of your Nintendo games app,
We
okay?
met at college at UNC. We've been married for 12 years and have 3 beautiful daughters, Maddie, Stella, and Haley.
Okay.
Hey, Pat, I'm an elementary school principal in Raleigh at Stow Elementary. I need to give a shout-out to the Stow Stallions out there. Make sure you read your 20 minutes tonight. And I also want to take a note on our kids are all obviously daughters, so you're thinking princesses. No, it's Jedi at our house.
Oh, good. Thanks very much. Good to have you guys
Thank
here.
you.
Your turn.
Hi, Pat. I'm Barbara, and this is my husband, Jason. We're from Long Island, New York. We've been married for 11 years, and we have 2 sons, Gavin and Drew.
We enjoy going on family vacations, and we're looking forward to our first Disneyland trip during our stay here in California.
Oh, you got that all planned and you're
Yes.
ready to go? Well, that'll be
Ready to
terrific. Go ahead.
Hi, Pat. I'm Danielle Reisenhuber. I'm originally from Buxton, North Dakota. I moved to Oklahoma to go to college, where I met my wonderful husband, David.
Hi, Pat. I'm a retired Oklahoma City firefighter. We have 3 children, Luke, Alyssa, and Harrison, and their favorite Disney memory is riding Space Mountain over and over again and the fireworks at the end of the night. And it was the desire of my wife's heart to be on this show, so thank you very much.
Well, I'm glad we could fulfill that wish for everybody. Get ready. We'll do another toss-up. This one is worth $2,000, and the category is character. Chris and Amanda.
Captain Hook.
All right.
Captain Hook, Army, Army,
Both
Hardy.
toss-ups, that means you have $3,000.
Captain Hook,
You
Army, Hardy.
Disney Cruise
No,
Line
no, no,
prize.
no.
Experience a Disney Cruise Line vacation. Perfect
Captain
for the entire
Hook.
family.
Sail aboard the beautiful Disney Dream on a Disney Cruise Line vacation in the Bahamas, where kids have the time of their lives and adults can relax and unwind in spaces created just for them. Plus, enjoy a day at Disney's private island paradise, Castaway Cay. This magical voyage at sea, $9,283.
Food and drink. That is the category. There's the puzzle. Chris, Amanda, why don't you spin that wheel? 600.
T.
1 T.
You'd like to buy a
Here's the
vowel?
key.
A.
There are 3 A's.
E.
E.
2 E's. $500.
R.
R.
And 2 R's. $1,350 you have.
Want to buy a vowel? O.
Do that as well. 1 O. $800.
S.
Yeah, on they go. 2 S's. $2,700.
You'd like to buy an I?
1 I.
One eye. One eye.
G.
There is a G. Pick up that wild card. What do you want to do now?
Sugar.
Oh, boy.
Oh.
H.
There is 1 H. You're reaching for the wrong thing. It's right over there.
There's an A.
Get up.
Oh.
Yeah, that's all I can
You'd like to buy a vowel?
see. Yeah,
U.
just the 1 right there. Not a lot of help, probably. We're on a free play.
W.
Yes. 2 W's, $500 apiece. Oh boy.
In.
1 N, $2,500 for that. By the way, if you do have that wild card here, you can use it in place of a spin.
We'll do it.
All right, pass that on down. What letter would you like?
B.
2 B's. Add $5,000 to this over.
Pat, we'd like to solve the puzzle.
Okay.
Baked apples with brown sugar.
Wow, you got
Baked apple with brown sugar.
7,000 plus. Hold up that $1 million wedge. They have 13,200.
Woo!
They've taken the first step. We'll see. Come on back. Could get very interesting around here.
Our Sea and Shore Vacation giveaway is back.
That's perfect. I could use a vacation.
Pat, it's for 5 lucky viewers, not the host.
But I want to go.
We want to send you and your family on a Disney Cruise Line vacation to the Bahamas aboard the Disney Dream. Watch Wheel all this week and enter the bonus puzzle solution at wheeloffortune.com for your chance to experience magic at sea as you set sail with Disney Cruise Line.
One of the biggest websites in the world is now on television. Daily Mail TV.
Delivering exclusives daily.
Always updated.
If OJ